Hey everyone! Ever wondered how computers keep secrets? Well, today we're going to learn about a really cool computer magic trick. It's all about these special invisible keys that keep everything we do safe and sound. You ready to learn some magic? Let's do it. Okay, so you know that feeling, right? You've drawn a super awesome, top secret picture for your best friend, and you really don't want your pesky brother or sister to see it first. Well, believe it or not, computers have that exact same problem. They're sending secrets all the time, and they have to make sure no one else can peek. So, to keep a secret safe, the very first thing a computer does is just scramble it all up. Seriously, it takes your message and just mixes it all around until it looks like total gibberish. And the super important step has a pretty fancy name. It's called encryption. It's kind of like the first spell in the magic book. So, your original secret message, the one that's easy to read, that's called plain text. Just think of it like your nice, clear drawing. But after the computer does its magic scrambling, it becomes something called ciphertext. And that's like if your drawing turned into a big pile of colorful confetti. It's a jumbled up mess that makes absolutely no sense to anyone who finds it. Okay, so how do computers actually scramble and unscramble these messages? Well, it all comes down to those special keys we talked about. And that brings us to our first story, the tale of the secret toy box. Picture this. You and your best friend. You find this awesome magic toy box, and it comes with a very special key. To make things super easy, you both get an exact copy of the very same key. It's your shared secret key that only the two of you have. And using this box is so simple. You just take your secret drawing, pop it inside, and then you lock it up super tight with your magic key. Then you can send that locked box over to your friend. When they get it, all they have to do is use their identical copy of the key to open it up and see your secret. Easy peasy, right? Now, the best part about this whole secret toy box method is that it is incredibly fast, like lightning fast. It's a fantastic way to send secrets back and forth really, really quickly. But there's a tricky part. Just think about it for a second. How did you get your friend their copy of the key without anyone else seeing it? Yeah, that's the big problem. What if, when you were giving that key to your friend, someone was watching and they secretly made their own copy? If that happens, well, now they can open your secret toy box anytime they want. This was a huge puzzle that computers had to figure out. So, to solve that really tricky key sharing problem, the computer wizards came up with an even cooler magic trick. Let's check out the tale of the magic mailbox, which, as you're about to see, is a story about two very different keys. Okay, so this is not your normal everyday mailbox. It's a magic one. And instead of just one key, this one uses a special pair of keys that work together as a team. One is called a public key, and the other one is called a private key. So here's how this crazy thing works. Imagine your magic mailbox is sitting right outside your house. The mail slot where you drop letters in can only be opened with the public key. And here's the cool part. You can make hundreds of copies of this public key and give one to every single person you know. Anyone with that key can open the mail slot and drop a secret message inside for you. But, and this is the really, really clever part, getting the notes out of the mailbox, that's a whole different story. The main door to open the entire box and read all the messages can only, and I mean only, be opened with your super secret private key. You are the only person in the entire world who has one. So it's really important to remember these two keys have totally different jobs. The public key, that's for sharing. Give it to everybody. Let them send you all the secrets. But the private key? Nope. That one's just for you. You never, ever, ever share it. You keep it secret. You keep it safe. This magic mailbox system is incredibly safe. I mean, it completely solves our key sharing problem, right? Because you never have to send your most secret key to anybody. But, there's always a trade-off. All this extra magic makes this method just a little bit slower than our old friend, the secret toy box. Okay, so we've got one way that's super fast but has that tricky key problem, and another way that's super safe but kind of slow. So which one should we use? Well, you know what computers did? They came up with the best magic trick of all, using both of them together. This is the big question, isn't it? When your computer needs to send a secret, does it pick the speedy secret toy box or the super secure magic mailbox? What do you think is the smartest choice? And the answer is both. It turns out the cleverest trick in the book isn't to choose one or the other, but to make them work together as a team.
And this is how pretty much all our computers keep our secrets safe every single day.
Okay, so check out this master plan. First, you use the super safe but kind of slow Magic Mailbox for just one tiny, quick job to safely send your friend the key for the super fast secret toy box. Then, once they have the key safe and sound, you can put the mailbox away and use the fast toy box to send all your actual big secret messages back and forth. It's genius. And what's so cool is that this amazing team up of magic keys isn't just a fun little story. Nope. It is happening right now inside your computer, inside your tablet, inside your phone. These magic keys are working hard for you everywhere you go online. I mean, literally every time you do something on the internet, this magic is at work. When you're shopping online, the magic keys are protecting the credit card number. When you send the funny message to your friend, the keys are scrambling it up so no one else can read it. Even when you're just playing a game or looking up stuff for school, these keys are working in the background, keeping you safe. So the main thing to remember is that all day, every day, this incredible team of magic keys is constantly scrambling and unscrambling your information. The safe key helps share the fast key, and then the fast key does all the hard work, making sure everything you do online stays your secret and your secret alone. And that leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Right this very second, as you're watching this, how many secrets do you think your computer is keeping safe just for you? Hundreds? Thousands? It's pretty amazing when you think about it, isn't it? And that is the real power of magic keys.